Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI, and I want to show you the world's best glass cleaner. This is Sprayway, and this is a very effective glass cleaner, and I love to use it for a lot of different reasons. So one, it really is amazing. It's streak-free, residue-free. I love that it actually has a foaming action to it, so it doesn't drip all the cleaner down your glass, and it stays where you want it to, so it just makes it a lot easier to use. It has a nice, clean, fresh scent. It is not super overwhelming or anything like that. It just smells nice and clean. I love that this is ammonia free, and you can use this on lots of different types of glass. So particularly love to use this in cleaning cars and detailing our cars. It's also safe to use on TV screens and computer monitors, so it's a really versatile product. This particular package comes with 2, so you can stock up a little bit on these. But definitely find myself reaching for this when I need to get a lot of glass clean. Whether it is glass in the home or in the car, this is such a really effective product. I think that you will be really happy with it. I have certainly been, and that is my point of view.